Precision isn't just about the fit, it's about the finish. The era of hand-trimmed aligners is over. Introducing Vector 5X, our latest CNC 5 Axis Robotic Trimming Machine. Its smart automatic process works directly from our 3D digital treatment planning, ensuring every cut is a mathematically perfect translation of the doctor's clinical intent into physical form. Using an advanced CNC 5 Axis Robotic Precision Trimming Machine, we've eliminated the need for manual trimming and human intervention. No manual intervention means no rough edges, just a smooth, flawlessly automated aligner delivering perfectly finished contouring with precision and consistency every time, designed to protect patients' soft tissues and optimize clinicians' time. For the clinician, it's the predictability in every aligner box. Minimal chairside adjustments, fewer refinements, and complete confidence in their case because ClearPath aligners match the 3D digital design to the micron. For the patient, it means greater comfort, a finish so smooth that they'll forget they're in treatment wearing aligners. ClearPath aligners, turning treatment plans into predictable outcomes.